$6,500 is what the average American household has in credit card debt right now. If you are, let's just say 21, I give you $6,500. You never invested another penny, but you invested those $6,500 and you could get an 18% return on that money, and you retire at 65 and you would have over $11 million.
Wow.
In Canada, the average credit card debt right now is $2,121, according to the Financial Post article published November 1st, 2022. A viewer sent a statement with a balance that they've had for a while on this visa, and in this episode, we're going to look into how much it actually costs to carry a balance and the differences in making different levels of payments. If only a minimum payment is made of $45, it would take 16 years to pay off this credit card and a total interest expense of $6,247.60. So the worst thing that you can do is just pay the monthly minimum, because interest is actually calculated daily. For illustration purposes only, we can see here another option is to pay $123.46, and this will make the card paid off in 2 years. Another thing you can do to accelerate this timeline is make lump sum payments whenever possible.
What you're doing now is you're living broke, making everybody else rich, so people think you're rich.